Finally, we get a closer look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which addresses all of the questions that Galaxy S23 Ultra owners have been asking. This new design focuses specifically on the demand for a display on this S24 Ultra. The forthcoming design incorporates a display while maintaining curved corners, however they are not as curved as those of the S23 Ultra. The reason for this change is because the Ultra's curved display resulted in bigger outer bezels on the Galaxy's S24 Ultra. In fact, these outer bezels are among the thickest seen on any Galaxy phone. There is a reason for this. Samsung had two alternatives to remedy this problem, one of which was to curve the edges to improve comfort while holding it in hand. As a result, this S24 Ultra is broader than its predecessor, or they might choose sharp corners that are hard to grasp. Fortunately, Samsung discovered a solution to this issue after we received the color selections for this S24 Ultra, and one thing jumps out in all of them. The Machin-colored bezel is present on all versions, and oddly, there are no core bezel customization features, even if the black edition of this S24 Ultra has distinct sides. Although the Galaxy S24 Ultra has one of the lowest bezels in the Galaxy phone with a 1.5 mm and even the bezels are symmetrical, the black outer bezel makes the phone seem to have unusually large bezels. I have discovered another sneak glimpse of the Ultra display. Here's another view of the S24 Ultra given by Ice Universe. The appealing design of the Galaxy's 24 Ultra will certainly captivate your heart, according to the slogan. The bezels on this phone are thin and symmetrical, however the outer ones seem somewhat thicker. Samsung has officially disclosed that AI is coming to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Ice Universe made a post about it, noting that the new age of Galaxy AI is on its way. This AI system is titled Samsung Gauss and promises to revolutionize our everyday duties. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.